Hi, I'm Jenna, Registered Behavior Technician, and I will be talking about video modeling. Video modeling is a well-established teaching method in applied behavior analysis for individuals with autism spectrum disorders. It is a mode of teaching that uses video recording and display equipment to provide a visual model of a target behavior or skill. There are four basic kinds of video modeling: basic video modeling, video self-modeling, point of view video modeling, and video prompting. In basic video modeling, you get a confederate or a peer to demonstrate the target behavior or skill. The individual with autism then watches the video and models the behavior. Research has shown that video models are more effective when they most closely resemble the learner. In video self-modeling, the learner serves as their own model. It is important to edit out any errors or prompts so you have a video that shows only the learner being successful. In point of view video modeling, you show the learner what completing the task looked like from his or her point of view. Video prompting serves as a cue for the steps of a task. Research has shown that for teaching daily living skills, video prompting may be more effective than basic video modeling. This could be tied to the fact that video prompting requires a set task analysis. A task analysis is the process of breaking down a complex skill into its smaller, teachable units, the products of which is a series of sequentially ordered steps or tasks. Video modeling can be used to teach academic performance, social skills, play, communication, and daily living skills. Video modeling meets evidence-based practice criteria. In the studies that serves as the foundation for the evidence base, video modeling was implemented in home and school settings. This practice, however, can be useful anywhere there's learner access to viewing equipment. The first step in video modeling is to identify a skill for the learner to acquire. It is important to clearly define the skill so that accurate data can be collected throughout the intervention process to monitor its effectiveness. The target behavior should be defined so it is observable and measurable. So an example of a behavior that is not observable and measurable would be Susan will improve her communication skills. An example of behavior that is observable and measurable would be Susan will initiate interactions with peers by saying hi at recess each day without prompting from adults. Today I'm at a party at my family's house with my aunt who has Asperger's syndrome. She often struggles in social situations, and one of the areas that she has trouble with is appropriate greetings. So I will be showing her a video on how to use appropriate greetings so she knows how to behave when people walk through the door at the house today. There are a number of reasons why video modeling is so effective for individuals with autism spectrum disorders. Individuals with autism love screen time, and it may be easier for them to attend to videos than to real-life situations. For individuals with autism, sensory problems can make real-world environments overstimulating. When you use video modeling, you can edit out any situations that may be distracting to the learner. So for example, you could edit out the other students in a classroom whose noise might be distracting to the learner. Individuals with autism often contend with stimulus over-selectivity. So for example, in a classroom, all the other students know that they need to attend to the teacher's voice. A student with autism, however, may not be able to focus on the teacher's voice because he is hearing the student next to him whisper to his neighbor. Videos can be edited to show just the relevant information. Another benefit of video modeling is that it removes some more intrusive prompting. In teaching independence and daily living skills, it is important to avoid verbal prompts when possible, because verbal prompts are the most difficult to fade, and to fade ourselves out of the scene as quickly as possible. This can be difficult to implement with strategies where we're needed to be there to physically or verbally prompt the learner.